On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 gold rings,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 9th day of Christmas, 9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, ba-dum-bum-bum,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, ba-dum-bum-bum,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings, ba-dum-bum-bum,
4 calling birds, 3 French hens,
2 turtle doves
And a partridge in a pear tree.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming,
11 pipers piping,
10 lords a-leaping,
9 ladies dancing,
8 maids a-milking,
7 swans a-swimming
6 geese a-laying,
5 gold rings,
Ba-dum-bum-bum. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens.